How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here, and today I am excited to share with you the brand new Jazz Tutorial drum collection. I have it loaded up here in Logic. I'm going to play some jazz songs to the beats. So this has been months of work between myself and Matias Menarguez down in Argentina. We've been creating these drum tracks specifically for you so that you have a backing track for every single song in your real book. That is the goal. And today I'm just going to take these drum tracks for a test drive. I'm going to play some jazz standards to these new recordings. So let's see what these can do for my playing. Now, to go with this lesson, I'm giving away 4 free backing tracks. You can download these for free just by clicking on the link below, or go to jazztutorial.com/drums.